This video describes how to install the work plan tool for WorPT for use in your proposal preparation. The previous video summarized the utility of WorPT in grant proposal preparation, including latex tables that are produced for incorporation into your proposal. If you do not know what the purpose of WorPT is, please refer to that very first video, which will be linked in the description below. The installation process is easy and will take less than a few minutes of your time. This video assumes that you have a Google account and know how to access your Google Drive. Log into your Google Drive and set up a place where you want the work to be placed. My folder convention is creating a research folder under which I have a proposals folder. The proposals folder are a list of all the proposals that I am working on or have worked on. I also have this subfolder called a biosketches folder, which I'll get to a little bit later in the video. Right now, let's make a subfolder to hold our demonstration proposal. Now that we've created the subfolder, let's download the actual software. And to do that, we need to go to the GitHub repository for WorPT. Take a little time to read the description provided on the GitHub repository, which gives a concise summary of what the entire series of videos will go into more detail about. Download the WorPT Google Sheet by clicking on the very first link in the description. Download the WorPT Google Sheet by clicking on the blue button. The WorPT sheet will be copied into your Google Drive at the very top of the folder hierarchy under My Drive. We'd like to move this sheet into the designated subfolder that we just created. We can verify that file got copied in the correct place by going to our newly created subdirectory, and there is our new file. We have one more file to download, and that's the BioSketch template. Instead of putting that template down in the proposal specific folder, what I like to do is place all of my BioSketches in a location that is sort of above all the proposals so that I can reuse those files over and over again and they can be updated easily. So as you can see, there is in my own folders a BioSketches folder right under the proposals folder, which is where I place a BioSketch for every single person who is a co-I on proposals that I've worked on. This area is where I like to put the new template. To download the BioSketch template file, we go back to the GitHub repository, and this time we're going to click on the second link. And again, you want to give a permission to make a copy. And like before, this file will be placed at the very top of your folder hierarchy under My Drives. And you want to move that file to the appropriate place, where this time I'm going to place it under my BioSketch folder. At this point, you are now ready to move on to the next video, which describes how to fill out the BioSketch file.